Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld. It's all too easy when you do a season skiing to limit yourself to going skiing only when the weather's nice, sort of thing. Sometimes when you go out and the weather's not so nice, you find some stuff. There's basically two areas of conditions. One is what the weather's doing, the other is what the snow is doing or what the snow has done. So I'm going to go out. You can see just now it's a bit not very good. We've had a couple of inches of snow this morning, and that should make the ski surface, that's down here in the station, should make the ski surface wonderful. Probably a bit slow, but very, very nice. So up top, who knows, I'm going to go and find out. So out with the Atomic Vantage skis, and let's go and check it out. So a couple of inches, you can see in the tyre marks, a couple of inches fell this morning. What's it like? Powder. That means today's choice of skis, the Atomics. Put them on outside the workshop. Someone told me that the snow is very sticky, so it's going to stick to my boots. So get the skis on rapidly. And yeah, okay, no snow in the bottom of the boots. So it's 12 o'clock, it's -3 degrees at 1800 meters here. Not many people around, and the people who are around tend to be coming back in for lunch. And a lot of them haven't even bothered going out because the weather's not so great. But it is great, if you know what I mean. Okay, so the snow's nice, but the light is absolutely flat. So, little partial ski view to start off with. You can hear it's nice. Hey. Still snowing. Okay, so it is still snowing down here. Looks cloudy up the top, so the visibility will be even worse, but the snow will probably be even better. So work my way up, probably go up to the zenith, have a quick red coffee, and then check it out. Okay, push there or lift. Let's see what it's like off the sides. Pretty nice. Oh yeah. Lovely. Woohoo! Nice one, Cyril. Nice one, son. Bit of a queue, but it'll go quick enough. Don't block it. So just heading up, and you can see we're in cloud, visibility is 0. A lot of folks skiing beyond their capability. Not good. But I'll go somewhere else. Hello.
Hi, hi.
Wow.
How are you?
Hey. Red coffee time. Cheers. Now that looks delicious. Ça c'est délicieux.
Ah oui, délicieux, bien sûr.
C'est pas pour moi aujourd'hui.
Là pour toi aujourd'hui c'est bien chaud.
Ouais, c'est pas bon pour skier quand on est trop plein, mais toi, expert. Right, I might as well finish up at that until I go out and do the descent. We're near the top here, 2,530 metres. So hopefully I can get this finished and head out before this lot does. Not that it'll matter too much because I'm sure they won't be going where I'm going. Okay, thanks for watching. You've got all your mask and helmet. Ah, I see your faces now. Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Quick selfie, yeah, nice to meet you too. Okay, go for it. Oh, thank you. Get my skis as well. No, do it again. Atomic skis.
Really nice.
So there are a few clear patches in the clouds up here, but it does get very thick and snowy in the air, in places. Visibility not good. Very difficult to make out the terrain. Although you can hear the skis, it's nice. Maybe icy in the middle. So keep to the sides. Whoa. But no. Bit of a risk there. So visibility here is next to zero. The camera will actually see better than me. So let's go and have some fun. Yeah. Oh wow. Oh, this is lovely. Wow. Excellent. Whoa, yeah. That is beautiful. Bit bumpy, where people have carved it up before this snowfall. Oh wow. A quick snow test. That's sorry you lost me there. That deep in powder. Joy. This is awesome. Oh wow. Back to zero visibility. Woo! Woo! Wow. Snow cannons made this. Whoops. Can't see the bumps. Just like off the sides here. Can't see a thing. Untouched. Pure power, look at the skis. here. Hey, it's cleared a little bit. Visibility is not so bad, but it's bumpy. Untouched. Very bumpy. Woohoo! Yeah! Let's go to the side. Nobody's been here. Very bumpy. And another sort of clearest patch. Visibility, yeah. Nice bit.
Swear I won't forget this. Why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go.
Go round these guys.
Home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold.
Legs are burning.
I can't move on till I let go. The pain makes it real. I don't wanna feel, I just wanna kill the bad thoughts and steal a good thought and meal. I'm just lost, I feel, I'm just lost, I feel. I need time to heal, I can't steer the wheel. Cause this drive it kills, and it gives me chills. A nice road it feels, I slip off the peel and crash all the steel. Will I ever heal? I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath hold. Cause I can't move on till I let go.